What if I told you that the real key to better stamina, stronger intimate performance, and renewed energy after 60 isn't found in a prescription bottle, but right in your own kitchen? The answer might surprise you: baking soda. That ordinary white powder you probably keep for cooking or cleaning holds an overlooked potential to boost circulation when paired with specific natural ingredients. Today, I'll reveal 5 powerful blends crafted especially for men over 60 to help reignite energy, improve blood flow, and restore confidence. Stay tuned, because how these combinations work inside your body will truly amaze you. Let's begin with the first and one of the most effective mixtures: baking soda combined with fresh lemon juice. At first glance, it may seem like a simple home remedy, but the science behind how these two interact inside your system is fascinating. When you mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with warm water and squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, you get more than just a refreshing drink. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C, a crucial antioxidant that keeps arteries strong and flexible, the foundation of healthy circulation. And proper circulation is what fuels strong, lasting intimate responses. Without it, oxygen and nutrients can't reach where they're needed most. Baking soda adds another essential layer of support. As men age, diet, stress, and slower kidney function can create excess acidity in the body. This acidic environment can stiffen blood vessels, slow circulation, and spark inflammation. Baking soda helps by gently neutralizing that acidity, restoring pH balance, and creating the perfect internal setting for nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for expanding blood vessels, to work efficiently. This isn't just a theory. In 2018, researchers at Augusta University in Georgia found that drinking baking soda mixed with water helped reduce inflammation throughout the body by signaling the spleen to produce anti-inflammatory immune cells. Simply put, it helps calm chronic inflammation, one of the hidden culprits behind poor blood flow and weak intimate function. So how do you make it? It's simple. Combine half a teaspoon of baking soda with the juice of half a lemon in about 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir well and drink it slowly on an empty stomach, ideally 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Morning is the best time since your body is most receptive and the drink works directly to balance acidity, clear toxins, and prepare your circulation for the day. What happens when you take it consistently? Within the first few days, many men notice lighter digestion, less bloating, and a boost in morning energy. Some even report stronger morning intimate responses, a clear sign that circulation is improving. After 1 to 2 weeks, blood vessels respond better, and overall stamina feels more stable. By the 3rd or 4th week, results become even more noticeable: more reliable performance, higher energy, and renewed confidence. The secret, of course, is consistency. Taking it daily allows your body to build momentum. This drink also gently supports detoxification. The lemon acts as a mild diuretic, helping flush out salts and toxins, while baking soda calms acidity that often weighs men down. Feeling lighter, less sluggish, and more energized naturally enhances overall vitality, and that directly reflects in improved intimate health. Still, moderation is key. Only half a teaspoon per day is needed. Taking more won't speed up progress and can raise sodium levels, which may be risky for those with high blood pressure. Men with kidney issues, uncontrolled hypertension, or sodium-restricted diets should always talk with their doctor first. For men over 60 seeking a simple, natural, and affordable way to boost circulation, strengthen intimate health, and start the day feeling alive again, this humble morning drink of baking soda and lemon water could be a real game changer. It's not a quick fix or miracle pill, but a steady, natural way to help your body function better and reclaim the strength that age seems to have taken away. And while this first blend sets a strong foundation, the next one takes things up a notch, because it combines baking soda with one of nature's most powerful blood flow boosters, beetroot juice. Now, beetroot might look ordinary, but it's packed with nutrients that directly influence circulation. For men over 60, where stamina and vitality depend on strong vascular health, this next mixture can be transformative. Here's how to prepare it. Take half a teaspoon of baking soda, just like before, and stir it into about 200 milliliters of fresh beetroot juice. If the earthy flavor feels too strong, add a small piece of apple or carrot for mild sweetness, but skip refined sugar, since it weakens blood vessels. Drink this once a day, preferably mid-morning or early afternoon, when your body is most active and ready to absorb beetroot's natural nitrates. Why is this combination so powerful? Beetroot is loaded with nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide, the same compound that relaxes blood vessels, allowing better oxygen and nutrient flow throughout your system, including to the pelvic area responsible for intimate function. Baking soda complements this by reducing excess acidity, which improves oxygen delivery in the blood. Muscles, including those supporting intimacy, perform far better when oxygen levels are high. Together, beetroot and baking soda create a synergy. One boosts nitric oxide, the other enhances oxygen flow. The result? Stronger, healthier circulation and more dependable intimate performance. And science backs it up. A 2015 study from Queen Mary University of London showed that just 4 weeks of daily beetroot juice improved vascular flexibility and lowered blood pressure in older adults. Since intimate health relies on optimal blood flow, this pairing makes perfect sense. In practical terms, men report higher energy during physical activity within just a few days, a clear sign of improved oxygen transport. After 1 to 2 weeks, intimate responses often feel firmer and more natural. Within 3 to 4 weeks, most experience better endurance, less fatigue, and an overall lift in vitality. As always, moderation is key. Stick to half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 glass of beetroot juice per day. More is not better. Excess nitrates or sodium can stress the body. Men with kidney stones, gout, or sodium-sensitive conditions should always consult a healthcare professional first. For older men wanting a safe, natural way to enhance circulation, restore stamina, and reignite intimacy, this second formula offers a unique advantage. It doesn't just boost energy, it targets the very foundation of male vitality, blood flow. When circulation is strong, energy, strength, and confidence all return. And while this second formula already works wonders, what comes next connects everything together, revealing how your body can rebuild itself from within in ways most men never imagine. The third combination is where relaxation meets recovery, a soothing mix that most men wouldn't imagine could influence performance. This blend brings together warm milk, a hint of cinnamon, and a small touch of baking soda. It might sound like a cozy bedtime drink, but in reality, it works on a deeper level, supporting hormone balance, circulation, and the rebuilding of strength that fuels intimacy. Here's how to make it. Gently heat about 200 milliliters of low-fat milk until it's pleasantly warm, not boiling. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda, stir until it dissolves, then mix in half a teaspoon of pure ground cinnamon. Drink it slowly, around 1 hour before sleep. Why does this simple drink work so well? Milk delivers essential proteins and minerals such as calcium and magnesium, which help relax muscles, calm the nerves, and prepare your body for deep, restorative rest. Cinnamon, however, is the powerhouse here. Studies reveal that it enhances blood circulation by increasing nitric oxide levels and improving arterial flexibility. It also steadies blood sugar levels, a key factor since poor glucose control is one of the hidden reasons older men face intimate challenges. By blending milk's relaxing qualities with cinnamon's circulatory boost, you create a nighttime formula that rebuilds vitality while you rest. Baking soda supports this process by keeping your body's internal pH balanced. During sleep, when your system repairs itself, reduced inflammation and better oxygen flow accelerate recovery. This means hormones are produced more efficiently, blood vessels regain elasticity, and the muscles involved in intimacy are replenished for the next day. Science backs these effects. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Clinical Lipidology found that consistent use of cinnamon improved key markers of vascular health, lowered triglycerides, and made arteries more flexible. For men in their 60s and beyond, that translates directly to better intimate performance, because flexible arteries allow blood to move freely to where it's needed most. So what kind of improvements can you expect in just a few days? Many men notice deeper, more restful sleep and a renewed sense of energy upon waking. Within the first week, sleep quality tends to improve noticeably, which positively affects hormone production and morning vitality. After 3 to 4 weeks, consistent use often leads to stronger performance, steadier energy, and renewed self-assurance. Timing is key. Drinking this about an hour before bed helps your body unwind, promotes relaxation, and allows nutrients to work overnight to restore and rebuild. It's a formula that works quietly as you sleep, yet the results become clear each morning when you wake up refreshed and ready. And while this third drink focuses on healing and hormone balance during rest, the next blend moves in a new direction, one that ignites warmth and circulation almost instantly. The results it delivers can be felt right away, and they might surprise you. The fourth combination unites warmth and circulation into one potent drink, baking soda mixed into freshly brewed ginger tea. For centuries, ginger has been prized for its ability to awaken the body, stimulate blood flow, and reduce inflammation. When paired with baking soda, this familiar root becomes a true circulatory enhancer, helping older men maintain stamina, energy, and intimate strength. To make it, grate or slice a small piece of fresh ginger, about 1 to 2 inches long, and simmer it in 250 milliliters of water for 10 minutes. Once it cools slightly, strain it into a cup and add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Stir well and sip while it's warm. The spicy kick of ginger signals the body to boost circulation almost immediately. Why does this blend work so powerfully? Ginger is rich in compounds called gingerols and shogals, natural dilators that relax blood vessels, ease tension, and allow blood to move freely through the arteries. For older men, that means better oxygen flow to the pelvic region, leading to firmer, more dependable responses. Baking soda enhances this by improving how efficiently oxygen is carried through the blood, ensuring tissues get the nourishment they need to perform at their best. Science supports these effects. A 2016 study in the International Journal of Cardiology found that regular ginger consumption improved cardiovascular markers, lowered arterial stiffness, and supported healthier blood pressure. Strong heart health directly benefits intimate function, since both rely on the same network of blood vessels. The effects of this drink are often felt faster than the previous ones. Many men experience a gentle warmth spreading through the body within minutes, a clear sign that blood flow is increasing. Over the first week, circulation improves, leading to stronger morning responses and higher energy throughout the day. With steady use over several weeks, stamina and consistency improve further, providing reliable performance and lasting endurance. This drink is best enjoyed in the late afternoon or evening, especially during cooler weather, when ginger's warmth feels most soothing. When taken regularly, it not only gives quick results but also trains your circulatory system to perform better over time, keeping energy levels and confidence steady. And while the ginger blend fuels immediate energy and blood flow, the fifth and final combination focuses on endurance, strengthening the very foundation of male vitality in a natural way. This last formula pairs baking soda with one of the most powerful fruits for circulation, pomegranate juice. Recognized for its rich red color and refreshing taste, pomegranate is packed with antioxidants and polyphenols that shield blood vessels from damage, reduce oxidative stress, and enhance blood flow. These are the exact elements needed for sustained intimate performance and vitality. Here's how to make it. Pour a glass of pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice, about 200 milliliters, and stir in half a teaspoon of baking soda. Drink it once daily, preferably in the morning or early afternoon. Its tart, tangy flavor may seem strong at first, but it's a small trade-off for what it delivers: stronger circulation, better endurance, and long-term cardiovascular support. Research from UCLA in 2007 showed that men who drank pomegranate juice daily experienced measurable improvements in intimate performance and satisfaction. The reason is simple: healthier blood vessels deliver stronger results. Pomegranate boosts nitric oxide activity, keeping arteries open and flexible, while baking soda maintains internal balance for smoother oxygen movement through the blood. With daily use, results appear steadily. Within the first week, most men feel a lift in energy and reduced fatigue, the first signs of better circulation. By the second week, performance becomes more reliable, particularly in the mornings. After about 4 weeks, the antioxidants begin to build lasting protection, improving stamina, recovery, and overall vitality. This isn't just a temporary fix, it's a way to build lasting resilience. Pomegranate strengthens the heart and vascular system, so the benefits you gain stay with you over time. And while this fifth blend marks the end of the formulas, it's truly just the beginning of what's possible. Each combination builds upon the last, helping men over 60 naturally restore their energy, balance, and confidence through simple, powerful, and consistent daily habits.